Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am very excited for this video today. I'm sure that most of you have heard of the lovely tool called Creative Fabrica, but even if you haven't, you are at the perfect video for you today because I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can leverage Creative Fabrica for your KDP business. Creative Fabrica has over 4 million different graphics that are perfect for anyone into any form of design, but there's also so much for anyone in the KDP space. We've got KDP Interior, KDP covers, and you can also get other graphics and patterns and all sorts of pretty things to use for your notebooks, planners, coloring books, whatever on earth you want to create. Creative Fabrica has it, and new graphics are constantly being uploaded, like literally daily. So Creative Fabrica has so much to offer, let me just tell you. I like to think of Creative Fabrica as almost like a digital form of Etsy. However, with Etsy, you're paying by the product, but with Creative Fabrica, you just pay per month and you can get access to almost anything. Also, I'm very excited to share, if you go down and click the link in the description, you can get access to every single thing that Creative Fabrica has to offer for only $1 for your first month. You're welcome to cancel anytime. I'd highly recommend it if you want to just go and try it out, see what Creative Fabrica has to offer, see if it's something you want to try out for your KDP business. And then honestly, you can just cancel if it's not your thing, but I'm betting it will be your thing because it is amazing. And there's literally no end to what you can find on Creative Fabrica. So make sure to go and claim that deal, $1. Go click in the link in the description. I would highly recommend you check it out. I love Creative Fabrica, and I'm sure that you will too if you don't already. Okay, now so for this video today, I'm sure you are all quite aware that Easter is almost upon us. It's just a month away. If you haven't started creating low content books yet for Easter, it is the time to get on it, and I'm going to show you how you can do it super duper easily with Creative Fabrica. Literally so easy. You can get the perfect pattern for your cover, you can get a full KDP interior, and you are going to be ready to upload it to KDP. So easy, let me tell you. All right, now let's hop over to my computer. All right, hello again, welcome to my computer. So as you can see, we are now at Creative Fabrica. Oh, I love this tool. Okay, so there is a ton of Creative Fabrica has to offer. Let me just quickly show you. I type in KDP and I am going to have so many different options. A mail tracker, a maze interior, a doctor visits logbook, like literally so much stuff that you might not even think of is on Creative Fabrica, and it is so amazing. Coloring books, brainstorm planner, wedding planner, you name it, it is on Creative Fabrica, not even kidding. Okay, so we are going to be looking for an Easter notebook of some sort, maybe a planner. So I'm gonna come up here and I think I'm going to type in Easter KDP planner, and we're going to see what we get. So we've got a couple cute notebooks. These are fun, super cute. So I'm just gonna keep scrolling through, find what I like. That's fun. Okay, Easter budget planner. Okay, this one's super cute. Perfect, I like this. So we've got a this book belongs to page, item, budget, cost, notes, perfect. I love the style. This is perfect. Okay, so this is what I'm going to go with. As you can see, it includes the commercial license, so I can totally use this. Also, one thing I would like to note with Creative Fabrica, this is something I've heard people talking about. I think it does depend on what you choose from Creative Fabrica. However, one thing to think about is just that with Creative Fabrica, the designs that you choose, especially for your interiors, you want to be careful because you got to remember that there are going to be other people who are going to be using these interiors. So you don't want your book to come across as a copy. Honestly, I highly doubt that Amazon would act on it, but if this is something that concerns you, just keep that in mind. And honestly, I think it's a bigger deal for like coloring books, because what if someone just buys a whole bunch of like Easter coloring books and then they find that like 5 of them like are identical? Then that would be a bit more disappointing. But with something like a planner, if they're all the exact same, like what does it matter? People more want the planner to be functional and they want the cover to be cute. It doesn't really matter if it's the exact same as another planner, at least in my opinion. Totally up to you. I just want to throw that out there, keep that in mind. If you do grab an interior, you might want to make it your own. It's up to you. I'm going to keep it simple right now and just keep it as is because I really like how it looks as is. And looking down, like only one person added it to their favorites. I doubt this has been used a ton of times, so I'm not super concerned. Just use your own best judgment. Okay, so I'm gonna pop over here. I'm going to download this. And as we can see, it's an 8.5 by 11. We can choose from 100, 110, 120 pages, plenty. I think I'm just gonna do 100. No bleed, KDP tested, perfect. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pop over to a KDP cover calculator because I need to work on my cover. All right, let's open this bad boy real quick here and let's extract it. Yes. If I had $1 for every time I extracted a file, let me tell you. Okay. And here it is, so we can choose 100, 110, 120. I think I'm just gonna do 100 because we don't need a whole ton. So here it is, looking through it, it's super cute. So I have my whole planner, it's super cute. Now for my cover. So KDP cover calculator. Here it is in all its glory. All right, binding type, paperback, interior type, black and white, paper type, white. Left to right, measurement units, inches, because I'm in America. Interior trim size, so it's 8.5 by 11. Page count, I have decided 100 and just 100. We don't need a ton. Calculate the dimensions, so here are our dimensions. And something I just realized the other day because a lovely person commented on my video and told me that I can literally download the template. Like, what a lifesaver. I did not realize I had this lovely button available to me. Here it is. I'm gonna pop over here and just extract it again because this is what I do for the majority of my life, is I extract files. All right, Canva, let's hop over to Canva now. We're going to create a new design using a custom size, inches. Okay, so this is where we're gonna use all this. So I'm just gonna grab these guys and stick them in. And create the design, and there we go. So here's what's going to be my book. All right, now I'm going to take this PNG or JPEG or whatever it is and just stick it right on here, and would you looky there. Oh, it's so easy. Okay, so now here is my whole template. Like, look how perfect this is. I can see exactly where my spine is. I see everything. It is amazing. Okay, so now that this is in here, we're going to create the cover. We're going to pop back over to Creative Fabrica actually, and we are going to type in Easter digital paper. And this will give us a whole bunch of super cute Easter patterns. Look at how cute these are. Okay, so there are a ton of super cute ones. Just scrolling through. I am going to choose this one. So I really like this pattern right here. I think that'd be super cute. I love those colors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and download this. Totally free, totally included. It's so grand. I can just go through and download what I want. Okay, now to open another file and extract more stuff. Extract, please. Yes, thank you. All right, look at all these file types. Okay, let me get rid of this. Okay, now coming over here, I've got PNG. So here's the one that I really like. I'm gonna pop back over to Canva, and now I'm going to take it, Control-C, Control-V, because I like Windows. And so now here it is. What I'm gonna do really quick here is for this, I'm going to change the transparency so it's not quite so annoying in your face. And then I'm going to take this and stick it like this, kind of in the middle. Let's see if it's seamless. I think it's seamless. Okay, there we go. Now send them both to the back. Now let's change the transparency a bit more. Let's do it like 30-ish. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, perfect. I can see well enough there. So one thing that's fun I can do, because I can see the spine right here, I'm going to hop over here, grab a line. I'm going to do it 90 degrees. Perfect. And now I'm going to change the line weight until it hits the lines there. And now for the color, so I'm going to delete this because it's not as relevant anymore. For the color, I'm going to grab my fancy chrome extension and choose a color. I love this color right here. Okay, perfect. Oh, this is looking so cute. All right, so I'm just gonna play around really quickly until I like how I have my cover. So I'm going to probably just put a square on it and write Easter budget planner, kind of like that. So now for my text, let's see. Oh, I can use this, it's cute. Like Easter budget planner. And then do it all white. Okay, that's looking really cute so far. I love scrolling through fonts to find that perfect one. Oh, that's cute. I like it, it's simple. Then the seasons. Oh, I like the seasons too. Okay, you're gonna have to give it some points, Sarah. Okay, I'm honestly super happy with how this looks. I think this is super cute. If I were to play with it for a bit more, I think I might try and make it bigger, maybe bolder, maybe easier to read. But this is cute, it's simple. I'm super in love with how it looks. So I'm just going to go ahead now and download it. It's exactly the way that I want it. So we want a PDF print, perfect, just like that. And now we have both our interior and our cover, and that was just so easy to do using just Creative Fabrica and Canva. And now we are going to head over to the lovely KDP and just run through and upload it really quickly. All right, so we are going to do paperback, Easter budget planner. But I'm gonna hop over to BookBolt really quick so I can find the best keywords. Okay, honestly, to be real with you here, this is not the best niche to go after. There are not a ton of keywords to choose from. What's most important here is the design, and if I wanted to create something like a coloring book or a dot-to-dot book or just a simple notebook, I'd have a lot more options there. All right, I am Sarah Larson, believe it or not. Details, keep it simple, book details. You can elaborate more, I'm just keeping it simple at the moment. Large, 8.5 by 11 size, 100 pages for plenty of budgeting space. This book belongs to page. Gorgeous matte cover, because that's what I always do. I love matte covers. They are so pretty, so smooth. I love them. All right, I own the copyright. Easter budget planner. It's not really a keyword, but it's fine. Easter regular planner. Easter planner notebook. Can add Easter finance, because why not? Now I'm just gonna do a couple that are notebook oriented. Easter egg notebook. There are definitely cute Easter eggs in our notebook. Easter notebook for adults. Definitely for adults. Alright, I'm gonna come down here to juvenile nonfiction. And then to holidays. I don't believe there are any in the regular nonfiction. And we want Easter and Lent. Perfect. All right, we're gonna come here to business and economics. Budgeting. Perfect. Okay. No language. Okay, so black and white interiors, white paper is what we want. We want an 8.5 by 11 regular paper size. I believe it was no bleed, so we're good there. Matte, upload paperback manuscript. Here it is in all its glory. I went with 100. All right, cover on Easter budget.pdf. All right, now we're going to launch the preview here and give it just a second. Alrighty, it's all done, and look at how cute it is. I'm honestly really happy with how this came out. I think it's adorable. And then our lovely interior. Here's our Easter budget planner. So cute, and it's 100 pages, exactly what we want, and we are done. So I'm going to pop over and press the lovely approve button. Okay, all territories, amazon.com. So with pricing, you might want to do it competitively. I usually try and find whatever is like around $1, $5.59 sounds lovely. And then coming down here, look, I'm making $0 in Japanese money, which we do not want. So we're gonna change that. Also very little in Australian. Let's add $1 here. And there we go, now we're making a bit more of a profit. And now that I am done, I'm going to press the lovely, lovely button to publish my book. And yay, it is published. Oh, that was literally so easy. And I'm so happy with how it came out. It's honestly super cute. You guys, Creative Fabrica is amazing and I would highly recommend it. All right, now that I've submitted it for review, I think I'm gonna go make myself some herbal tea. See ya. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and it has helped you figure out how you can use Creative Fabrica for your KDP business, how to create literally anything with Creative Fabrica. I love Creative Fabrica. It is amazing. Also, don't forget, if you want access to everything that Creative Fabrica has to offer for only $1 for your first month, we're talking like 30 days, you can get any graphic that you want for $1. Go click the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. I would super duper appreciate it and I would love to have you. All right guys, hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. Bye.